First file we need to run is this install packages function. This is the one that helps us get all of our specific packages that we need installed. So one of the things that I thought I updated here, but what this will look like is okay. After opening up our studio or opening up this install packages function, what you'll see is I have put some warnings in there, and it has just a very few lines of actual code to run. So what we need to first do is highlight or put your cursor on line 14. You can either click it, you can just have the little cursor there, or you can highlight the whole section. You can run things by highlighting it and clicking the run button. This is probably the most straightforward way to run something. Or if you have like your cursor or the little bar on a specific line, you can press Control Enter and it will also run as a way of kind of making things a little bit easier on us. And so what you now just saw me is actually installing the package for the analyses. What it's doing is it's currently thinking and grabbing all of the like a lot of the dependencies and packages that it needs under the hood to run a lot of these things. And so what it's doing is it's trying to get all those packages and will install them. And this can take a few minutes. Okay, it's trying to think a lot and build. Okay, it is installed. Now the next thing we need to do is actually install and make sure all of the other packages can be installed and loaded. So then we press highlight it and press run or command or control enter. If you've previously had R installed, what you'll likely get is a window that pops up that says, do you want to update existing packages? And the answer to that is yes, you always want to make sure all the packages are updated. In the future, we might have specific versions of all the packages that need to be loaded, but that will be taken care of at a later date if needed. But essentially now we're just using things that are current as possible to run everything, which is nice. So the package that I just installed, specifically the future, is a really helpful one that does a lot of things under the hood to help us run things in parallel, and that'll just save our life a lot easier. And so you'll see that there's just a lot of things being loaded and trying to be installed. There's another question you might get when running these is, do you want to install from sources that need compilation or compiling, and you want to say no to that. That will speed things up tremendously and be a little, mostly just speed. Okay, so now after we've run line 19, what we need to do, or 18, what we need to do is we need to make sure something called TinyTech is installed. Line 21, highlight, command enter. So what you'll notice is that you might also get this window that's, do you want to, that it's trying to install something that is currently already loaded technically. I believe TinyTech does get loaded with the load packages function, but this will just be a little bit, basically double checking that needs to. And whenever you get this, just say yes. It's going to restart, then it's going to, yep. You'll see that it's thinking a little bit after it's restarted. tech, install. Yep, it's successfully unpacked. Now we need to actually install. The funny thing is with this package, the package is used to install the package. It's its whole thing. So we just need to press run on there, and it grabs what it needs and tries to